Hey everyone guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I will show you how to connect the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset to your Xbox console. Okay, this is a quick and easy process, so let's jump right in guys. First things first guys, what I want you to do is I want you to ensure that your Hyper Cloud 3 wireless headset is actually fully charged. Look, a good charge basically ensures there's uninterrupted gameplay. Next, what I want you to do guys is I want you to power on your Xbox console and just log into your profile. Make sure your Xbox is actually ready to sync new accessories. Now guys, what I want you to do is grab the wireless USB adapter that is included with the HyperX Cloud 3, plug the adapter into one of the USB ports on your Xbox, and the adapter will automatically enter pairing mode, which is indicated by a blinking LED. Next guys, what you want to do is you want to turn on your HyperX headset by pressing and holding the power button, okay, at least 3 seconds. So you do this to enter a pairing mode basically, right? So the headset will automatically search for the adapter and connect, and once connected, both the adapter and headset LEDs will stay solid. And finally guys, what you can do is you can test the connection by playing a game or just adjusting the volume in your headset to ensure that everything is working perfectly guys. And that's it guys, you're now ready to enjoy wireless audio with your HyperX Cloud 3 on Xbox. And guys, if you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. If you're still in assistance, I will help you down in the comments below. You can just comment. And as always guys, make sure you subscribe to Find Your Solution so I can see you guys in the next video.